we're going to learn more about our Seesaw blog. So right now I'm in our class journal, and in our class journal, all of our posts can be viewed by our classmates right now, but by nobody else outside of our class. So just the students that are in class and just the teachers that are connected to this journal can view our posts. But we also have our classroom blog turned on. And this is a place where people outside of our classroom can also view some of the work that we post. And the kind of work that we're going to post to the blog is work that we're really proud of and want to share with other students in our CSI community or others that we might send the blog link to in the future. But for now, let's take a look at what that looks like. So if I click on the blog tool on the right side of the screen here, this is our public blog space. And right now we have a few projects that we've posted to the blog so that we can share them with others that are connected to our blog. Our connected blogs are down here on the bottom of the screen. So when I click on that, we see that we're actually connected with the other second grade classes at our school site. And so if we want to view some of the work that they've posted, we can select that classroom. And if we scroll a bit here, we can see some of the work that these students have posted. And we can also leave them a comment. So we're going to think back to some of the ways that we can leave the best comments for people. And then let's go ahead and practice that with some students in the other classes. So I'm going to leave a comment here for Michaela about her gratitude placemat because I've already watched her video and listened to the things she's grateful for. And I'm going to leave her a compliment. So this turned out really nice. And then I'm also going to leave a connection. So I am also grateful for my for something cozy, my big fluffy couch. And then I will go ahead and post that for her. So now you're going to explore the other second grade blogs and find a couple of posts to leave some kind comments or questions for your classmates and the work that they shared with you.